Yeah. It works quicker than this stuff. Fly, bitch, fly.
Oh god! Oh, dude, I'm in the air! Yeah! Oh crap! I hit the lighthouse tower.
Oh shit! Did you die?
I'm gonna go try to find the car.
Oh fuck!
Yeah,
Okay,
dude.
we have to find another car.
I hit the lighthouse tower.
Fuck yeah!
Which
That was
car?
awesome, bro. I love this gun.
Oh, let's go, man.
Where did you fucking go, man?
Dude, I'm gonna just find the freaking car.
Yo, there's a car over here, I think.
Find that
Look
car.
at the guy we have.
Nope, never mind.
Wait.
How do you get to the lighthouse?
It's called us shooting it a lot. Overpowered.
Dude, yeah, man, you guys launched me into the lighthouse. I like ran straight into the lighthouse and died.
Yeah.
Halo. We have to do that
Does
again.
anyone remember how to get to the lighthouse? Because I don't.
I don't. Oh, there's a car over there. There's a blue car over there.
Yeah.
Remember?
Oh,
It's up here.
yeah, I think we just.
I'm all alone out here.
You deserve to be alone.
Sorry, Nate.
You cast away.
Hey, you're the guys who launched me into the air.
You deserved it. Oh!
Jesus.
Dude. You alright?
That zombie dick just made me like fly like 20 feet.
That was me. I shot his legs off and his top body hit you. And that was epic. Okay, we need to find my car. I'm up in a blue car. So close.
I swear to God, if it's like on top of it, it'll be so funny.
What?
Yo, guys, I'm just down the road. You guys will bring it to me.
I need some.
Alright, well, here's the car.
Oh! I fell. Crap, I died. Give me a second.
Yeah, there you go, that's there.
Okay, I'm just...
I'm gonna go on top of the lighthouse and see if I can find it.
Okay. Get the car yet?
I can't find it.
What?
Dude, the car's right here.
No, I mean the one that we launched.
I don't want that car, dude. I want the other car, the one that's up there.
I know.
found
I was trying to find it just for the lulz.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know, dude. I hit the lighthouse and I died. I don't know where I think the car fell somewhere down. I don't
think
know.
it exploded. Wait, did your car's exploder?
No, cars don't explode.
That's bullshit. Bye, penguin. Oh, shit.
Hit and run.
I didn't do it. I did not do it.
I was trying to get down the road.
Even though I was driving away and I hit you, I did not do it.
Did you
blood on my
die?
car.
Yeah, I
did
blew
not do it.
myself up. Alright, I'm at the gas
Oh,
station.
good job.
I'm at the gas station.
I'm driving back, you know, I'm stuck between a fence and a car and a very hard pole.
Oh God.
Alright.
Hey, dude. Alright, I'm hopping out. We have to live explosive truck. Hop in, buddy. Shit. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Well, I think we'll get over here. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ah! Come on, keep shooting.
We're shooting! What do you think we're doing?
Nothing.
Really? We're launching into a sign.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Where am I?
You're on top of a tree.
Fuck! Damn it! Oh! Woo! Dude, I'm in the pool. I landed in the pool. Perfectly. Perfect landing, dude. I landed in the pool. Perfect landing in the pool. Oh, now I'm surrounded by zombies.
We're coming to help and shoot you up.
That was cool, man.
That
Perfect
was
landing. Oh my god, that was
What do you
like...
expect?
That was like spot
Okay,
on.
yeah.
Spot on into the pool.
I like that they do that. Oh, there's another car over here that we could use. Oh.
What are you guys doing exactly?
Shut up, just get on YouTube. Shut up.
Yeah, man. This is free. Oh, dude, hurry up, dude. Hurry up.
Ever since we met that dude, he gave us these guns.
Oh my god!
Perfect landing.
Let me see. That's epic. Oh, come on, I keep on sliding off. Hang on, my different blue. Hang on. Oh! Get in the air already! Oh, dude, you're on top of floaty.
No.
Oh, not anymore. Get up there, get in there, get in there, get in there. Get out of here, we don't want you. We don't want you. Broken window. Get out of here, we don't like you. We don't like you. Get out of here.
Dude.
Get out of the pool. Get out of the pool. Oh shit.
Come back on the road.
Yeah. We're gonna shoot you back into. Oh shit.
Alright,
That
quickly,
worked out.
shoot.
Hey, give us a couple seconds.
No!
I'm trapped in the
I'm
pool.
on a cliff. This is how shit happens.
I'm shooting from the pool. Not even. Oh, you're stuck in the time.
Woo! Yeah!
Oh.
Yeah!
There we go.
Oh my god!
Truck's gone.
Thanks, man.
Alright, I'm ending the video now. It's like 8 minutes long.
No, it's not. It's like 6 minutes long.
It's
You know
like
you died?
7:34.
There's only one back to here.
Alright, we can do it. We can do it one more time. We can do it one more time.
That's what she said. Okay, back out. Alright, go shoot in there. Get out here, I'm kidding. Dude. Get out here. Can't you listen? Get out. Get out. Get out here. Get out. You're a purple
Ow!
space car, so.
He killed me!
Sorry. Oh god. I'm hurting myself. I turned emo in here. Where'd you go?
I'm down here at the house.
How do you...
I'm inside the house.
And you're getting shot. I think we... I'm burning.
Ow!
I understand what just feel.
No, I died twice.
Die, bro. Joy. Get out of here. Dude. Get out. Oh, now I die. Now I...
I'm pretty sure I can back it out of here. Nope, I
I
can't.
found another working car.
Wait, you didn't want to. You
I'm
just
done.
didn't want to.
I'm done. I'm done. Alright, video's over. I'm stopping recording now.
Alright, back to my phone.
Fine.